Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to accept Wise payments on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to shopify.com and log in into our account. Once in your account, what we need to do next is we need to add a payment method. So at the lower left of your screen, go ahead and click on the settings option. And from here, we need to choose the option that says payments. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to add a payment method. So go ahead and click on the add payment method here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to search for Visa. So all we know that currently Wise provides us a Wise debit card. So in this case, Wise debit card or Wise card actually uses Visa. Now in this case, having a Visa payment method available on your website or in your Shopify, it actually allows you to accept Wise card payment. Now in this case, just make sure that you click on Visa here and choose whatever type of account you want to open up. Like for example, you have in Cave here payments, which supports Visa payments. And from here, once you've chosen the appropriate type of payment here, like for example, I want to use the PayTR Credit Banca card here. So in this case, just click on connect here and set up your account or create your account. And once you set this up, as long as you have Visa as a payment method available on your Shopify account, you should be good and you should be able to accept payments for Wise. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.